Morning all. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So welcome to class 9 IIT Maths. Before going to start the topic, we will revise once. What is an algebraic expression? An expression which contains constants and variables which are separated with basic mathematical operations, addition, subtraction and multiplication is called an algebraic expression. 3x square plus 2x minus 5y minus 2. It is an algebraic expression. In this, 3 is a constant and x is a variable. This algebraic expression is also called a polynomial. Children, today's topic is polynomials and square roots of algebraic expressions. Children, let us start. Polynomial. The term polynomial is derived from Latin word. Poly means many. Nomial means terms. The combination of many terms is called a polynomial. Example, I am taking 3x square plus 2y square minus 3x minus 14y minus 21. Here this is the example I am taking. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are present. Hence it is called a polynomial. In this polynomial we are having constants and variables. So before going to start, what is a constant? A constant is the number which is having fixed numerical value. The number which is having fixed numerical value is called a constant. Example, I am going to take all the numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers and real numbers. These numbers are called constants. Example, 2 minus 3 by 2, 0.5, root 2, etc. These are called constants. And the next is variable. A number which varies from time to time is called a variable. I am taking one example, 2x equal to 3. So by simplification I am going to get x equal to 3 by 2. And one more example I am taking, 2x equal to 4. Then by simplification I am going to get x equal to. In these two cases, see the x value. In first case the x value is 3 by 2 and in second case x is 2. Hence, so here the x value is varying. So all the variables are going to be varies from time to time. And these variables are represented with English alphabets such as A, B, C dash dash or small letters A, B, C dash dash. The next, the combination of constants and variables. The combination of constants and variables with 4 basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when these 4 mathematical operations are connected with variables and constants, then it is called an algebraic expression. Example, 4x plus 3y minus 2. So here see, 4 is a constant, x is a variable and separated with one operation, that is addition, and here minus. So this is called an algebraic expression. One more example I am taking, 3x by 2. So here division is a mathematical operation. It is also an algebraic expression. And an algebraic expression which is which an algebraic expression which is separated with only with addition or subtraction, then it is called a term. A term is an expression which is separated with addition or subtraction is called a term. Example, I am taking 3x, it is one term, and minus 3y, it is also one term. 3x plus 2y, it is separated with addition, it is also one term. And 2x minus 3y, it is separated with subtraction, it is also one term. So again the terms are divided into two types. One is like terms and the next is unlike terms. Then we'll start like terms. What is a like term? The term which has same literal value or literal coefficient is called a like term. Example, I am taking 3x comma 2x. So here the literal coefficient is x and here the literal coefficient is x. So hence these two are called like terms. And one more I am taking 3y comma 2y. So here also these y's are literal coefficients, these y's are equal, hence it is also a like term. Whereas unlike term, the terms which are having different literals are called unlike terms. Example, I am taking 2x comma minus 2y. So here in first case the literal coefficient is x and in second case the literal coefficient is y. Hence these two are not same. Hence it is an unlike term. So based on, I am taking the same example. So these are called literal coefficients. So 2x comma 3x, in these the literal coefficient is x. If I am taking the numerical coefficients here, in this 3x and 2x, the numerical coefficient is 3 and 2. These numerical values are called coefficients. The numerical value of a term is called coefficient of the given term. Example, I am taking 2x plus 2y. So here coefficient of x is equal to 3 comma coefficient of y is equal to 2. In the same way, one more example I am taking 3x square minus 2y square. So here the coefficient of x square is 3 and coefficient of y square is minus 2. The numerical value of the term is called the coefficient. So here you see the powers in this 3x square minus 2y square, the power is 2. In polynomials, if any term that is having the highest power, then it is called as degree. The polynomial which contains the highest power in an expression is called degree. Example, I am taking 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 2y minus 2. It is the example I am taking. In these, the highest power for x is 2 and for y is 2. So when I am comparing these two, the highest power is 2. Hence, the degree is 2. One more example I am taking 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So here the degree is also same 2. The degree is 2. In this example, you see the literal coefficients. This expression contains only the x variable. Hence, this equation is a polynomial with one variable, because in this example only one variable is there, that is x variable, hence it is a polynomial with one variable. One more example I am taking. That is 3x square plus 2y square plus 3x minus 2x minus 2y minus 1. So in this x variable is present and y variable present, hence it is a polynomial with two variables. Children, next is types of polynomials. So these polynomials are divided into two types, that is with respect to degree, and the next is with respect to terms. The polynomials are divided into two types, that is first one is with respect to degree and the next one is with respect to terms. So let us start with respect to degree. Types of polynomials with respect to degree. So the first one is linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? The polynomial whose power is or degree is 1. That means the highest degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called a linear polynomial. Example I am taking 2x. Here the power of x is 1, hence this 2x is a linear polynomial. Next, second one I am taking quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose highest degree is 2, then this polynomial is called a quadratic polynomial. Example 2x square plus 3x minus 2. In this equation the power of x is 2, the highest power of x is 2, hence this is a quadratic polynomial. The third one is cubic polynomial. An expression which is having the highest power 3, then it is called a cubic polynomial, that is 3x cube plus 2x square minus 2y minus 2. In this the highest power is x, highest power is 3, and this in this total expression the highest power is only 3, hence it is called a cubic polynomial. Next one is biquadratic. The polynomial whose degree is 4, then that is called as biquadratic polynomial. Example is 4x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube minus 2. In this expression the highest power of x is 4, hence it is a biquadratic polynomial. The last one is constant polynomial or zero polynomial. So this constant polynomial or zero polynomial, the power or the degree of the variable will be 0. Example 2, minus 2, minus 5 by 7, all these are constant polynomials. The degree of the polynomial is going to be 0. Hence even this constant polynomial is also called as zero polynomial. Next, types of polynomials with respect to terms. The first one is an expression which contains only one term, then that expression is called a monomial. Example 2x, here it is only a single term, hence it is a monomial. An expression which contains only one term, then it is called a monomial. The next one is an expression which contains two terms, then it is called binomial. Example 2x minus 3y. So here 2x is one term and minus 3y is one term. Hence it is a binomial. Next is an expression which contains 3 terms. Then that is called a trinomial. Example 2x minus 3y minus 2. So here 3 terms are present. Hence it is a trinomial. And the last one is 4 or more. An expression which contains 4 or more terms is called a polynomial. Example 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 1. Here 4 terms are present, hence it is a polynomial. The next we are going to study about the identities in algebraic expressions. We are having so many identities. The first identity is a plus b whole square. The expansion of a plus b whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. The next identity is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Compare these two. So here a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square. In first term it is addition and in second term it is subtraction. Same terms, but the middle term is going to be changed. In the first expression plus 2ab, whereas in second expression it is minus 2ab. The next is a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here first I am going to expand this is I am going to treat as b plus c as a single term and I am going to expand just like a first identity. Then again I am going to expand this b plus c whole square with first identity, and I am going to, after simplification, I am going to get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then one more is a plus b whole cube. The formula will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or same one more, a cube plus b cube. In these terms I am going to take the common ab plus ab, I am going to take the common. The next is 3 of a plus b, 3 of ab into a plus b. So this is also a one identity. Then one more identity, fourth identity is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or I am going to take a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. After simplification I am going to get again the same term here. Minus into plus is minus, 3ab into a is 3a square b, minus into minus is plus, 3ab into b is plus 3ab square. The next is a plus 1 by a whole square. The formula is a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square. I am simplifying this. A square plus a cancel, 2 plus 1 by a whole square. In the same way I am going to get the minus 1, that is a minus of 1 by a whole square is equal to a square minus 2 plus 1 by a whole square. And the next identity is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The next one more is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And one more is a plus b into a minus b. I am going to get a square minus b square. Children, these are the identities that we are going to use in algebraic expressions and upcoming classes. So once we will revise what we have learned in today's class. So first we have discussed about the polynomial. Example is 3x minus 2y minus 2. After this polynomial, we have discussed about the constants and variable. A number which is having fixed numerical value is called a constant, and a number which varies from time to time is called a variable. The combination of constants and variables by the basic mathematical operations, then it is called an algebraic expression. So we have studied about the algebraic expression, and based on this algebraic expression, if any expression that is separated with addition or subtraction, then that is called a term. And again this term is divided into two types, that is like terms and unlike terms. Based on these like terms and like terms, we have studied about the coefficients of the term and degree of the polynomial. And based on the degree, if it is containing single variable, then one variable polynomial or single variable polynomial we have studied. One next is two variable polynomials we have studied. Based on this degree, we are having two variables and single variable polynomials. Again, the polynomials are divided into two types based on the degree and the terms. Then that is linear, quadratic. That means the power is 2, then it is called as quadratic. Next is cubic. If the power is 3, then that is called a cubic polynomial. Biquadratic and constant polynomial. Constant polynomial or zero polynomial. So this we have studied. The next one, lastly we discussed about the types of polynomials with respect to terms. That is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Lastly but not least, we have studied about the identities. That is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, and so on. So children, based on this, I'll give the worksheet you have to do. Thank you. Have a great day.